Well, hello and welcome. Welcome to our last celebration assembly of the half term. I can't believe it's passed by already. I've had a lovely time with school council who've told me how much you've all enjoyed it and enjoyed seeing your friends again. And then I've seen lovely things this week. I've seen Rangoli patterns, I've seen buggies being made for the moon, and I've even been seeing autumn wreaths. Now let's see what your teachers have spotted.
Hello Gazelle class. This week's certificates are going to go to Olivia for brilliant maths. You're working really hard and pushing yourself. Well done, Olivia. And my second certificate goes to Toby for not only bringing in half a forest to help us with our art this week, but also for being a ridiculously fast runner. Brilliant, Toby.
Hello Seahorse class, I'm really impressed with how well you've all done this first half term of reception. So well done to all of you, but a special well done to Harry, who gets the certificate this week for trying really hard with his reading, and to G1 for trying really hard with his writing. You're almost there with being able to write your name by yourself. Well done.
Hello Year 6, I hope you're all looking forward to the half term. My certificates this week go to Aidan because he's a great learning partner to have and he always shows great sportsmanship, whether it's playing at break time or in PE lessons. And also to Ellie Grant because she always shows such enthusiasm and she's really keen to improve her own learning. Thanks.
Good morning everyone, and a special good morning to our class. This week, both certificates are going to children who made beautiful Rangoli patterns in RE. So well done Izzy and well done Yilin. They were absolutely amazing. So keep up the good work and everyone have a lovely half term. Bye.
Hello Eagle class, I hope you're having a great day with Mrs. Huggett and especially that your world presentations go well. I'm thinking of you all with that and I wish I was there to hear them. Our certificates for this week, for the last week of this half of term, go to Akira and to Ewan, both of you for some fantastic perseverance and with some really tricky maths. So well done to you both and I hope you all have a really great half term. I'm missing you today. Take care, bye.
Good morning Hedgehog class. I'd like to say a big well done for such a fantastic first half term in year 2. You've all worked so hard and deserve a really lovely rest. I'd like to give 2 certificates today and my first one is to Jacob. Jacob, you really focused in art this week and created such a beautiful oil pastel picture of our harvest vegetables. You included so much detail and looked really closely at all the different colours, so well done you. And Aaron, I'd like to give you a certificate as well because when we were learning about the morning the alien came to visit, that story, you retold the story with such brilliant detail and used some fantastic adjectives and also magpied some brilliant words from the story. So well done Jacob and well done Aaron.
Hello Lion class, well done on another fantastic week. I've got 2 children to give certificates to today, both girls. The first one is Kira. Kira, you're such a help in our DT lessons. You're going around helping everyone with their sewing, threading needles, and just generally being fantastic, so thank you. And my second certificate is for Elsa. Elsa, you worked so hard in our sewing lesson yesterday. You made a brilliant bag and used a growth mindset all the way through, so well done and thank you for your perseverance. Have a lovely weekend, everyone.
Hello Total class, well done to everybody for having a really good first half term. I'm very proud of all of you, but the first certificate this week goes to you Tanya for being a really good role model for everybody in the class, so well done Tanya. And the second one goes to James for his lovely leaf band that he created. He really put some thought into that, well done James.
Hi Year 6, my certificates this week are for Kritika because she is always so enthusiastic in English lessons and listens well to instructions and feedback given, and to Dennis because every day he's just so positive and cheerful about everything.
Hi Tigers, I hope you've had a lovely week. I know I have. I've really enjoyed working with you again this week, and I really enjoyed our filming of Open the Book. I thought, considering what a short time we had from start to finish, you did a brilliant job. There was some great acting on there, and I hope everybody has enjoyed watching it and showing it to their families. So this week's certificates, they're last before half term. First one's going to go to Maggie for spectacular acting. She only had one line in Open the Book, but she delivered it with great gusto. So really well done, Maggie. You did an awesome job. And the second certificate today is going to go to Tae Yang, who also only had one line, but did such a great job delivering it. So well done to both of you, and thank you very much. Have a lovely half term. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Antelope class. This week I'd like to give the certificates to Joshua. Joshua, your attitude has improved toward your learning so much this week, so a big well done. It's really paid off in your poetry. And I'd also like to give a certificate to Toshi. Toshi challenged me a lot in maths this week. He wrote some fantastic questions to go along with a two-way table. So excellent work, Toshi. Keep it up.
Hello Squirrel class, another busy week. We've had fantastic fun with Diwali and Rangoli. The certificates this week go to Paula for settling into our class so well, always working hard and being cheerful and friendly to everybody. So well done, Paula. And the other person is Shiok. Shiok, you've shown us some really good work this week, lots of good writing, lots of good work in Diwali, and your Rangoli were fantastic, so well done. Have a good weekend, everybody, and don't forget not to come to school next week because it's half term. See you soon. Bye.
Hi McCall class. Wow, I can't believe we have done a whole half term. I'm so proud of you all and how well you've settled in, so well done. My last certificates of this term go to Caleb. Caleb, you have been the most amazing helper all term, and I've been especially impressed by how you've offered to help even when I haven't even asked you to. Thank you so much for helping our classroom look so tidy. And the last certificate goes to Ryan. Ryan, I have been so impressed by your amazing attitude towards your maths in particular, especially even once doing extra work at home. Well done, Ryan. Well done, McCall class, and have an amazing and restful half term. Bye.
Hello everyone, I hope you've had a super half term. This week, I would like to give a certificate to Daisy. Daisy, you're getting the certificate because you've been working so hard in all areas, but I've been particularly impressed with your number work using a number line in maths. So well done to you, Daisy, and keep it up. The second person I'd like to give a certificate to is Ted. Ted impressed us with his fantastic writing of the story of Nerf the Alien, and he included lots of sentence openers and even included some contracted words in his writing. So well done to you, Ted, and keep it up. I hope everybody has a super break and see you in the next half term.
Hi guys, hope we're all well. Now before I get started and announce the sports award winners for this week, I just want to give a huge shout out to everyone who took part in the virtual cross-country challenge this week. It's really hard work, so well done for those of you who gave it a go and completed it. Now the winner from the juniors this week is going to be Jake from Eagle class. He done really well in our dodgeball tournament, and I think he managed to win it. From the infants, it's going to be Xavier. Now, since September, Xavier has made huge strides in PE, and he's been doing really well. So well done, Xavier, and well done, Jake.
Now, it's the end of a half term, so it's a very special time to look at attendance. And this time I've got a nice coloured sheet. So last week, in third place was Tiger, second place Gazelle, and first place Beautiful, both the reception classes. Well done, Seahorse and Turtle. So how does it all add up? Well, let me see. Overall, in third place was Seahorse, second place Tiger, first place Turtle. So again, really impressive reception. Well done, both of you. Now let's see who's got a birthday this week. And I've got a list just to make sure. Ted and Jack are 5. Maya and Dahong and Paula, 6. I don't think anybody's 7. Scott and Joseph are 8. William and Ollie and Aoife and Jake are 9. Nobody's 10. And then Daniel is 11. Happy birthday, everyone.
Happy birthday.
Well, later on today, I'm going to come round with You've Been Spotted prizes. I'm going to go to reception, Key Stage 1 and lower juniors. I think upper juniors, I'll give you a little bit more time to get some more You've Been Spotted cards. So I'll see most of you later. But now, let's have a special prayer for the holidays. Thank you for school days. Thank you for holidays. Thank you for all days. Thank you, God, always. Have a lovely holiday, everybody. Bye for now.